Anger. Psalm 145 verse 8. The Lord is full of loving favor and pity, slow to anger and great in loving kindness. Nehemiah 9 verse 17. You are a forgiving God. You are kind and loving, slow to anger and full of loving kindness. Psalm 30 verse 5. For his anger lasts only a short time, but his favor is for life. Crying may last for a night, but joy comes with the new day. James 1:19-20. My Christian brothers, you know everyone should listen much and speak little. He should be slow to become angry. A man's anger does not allow him to be right with God. Ecclesiastes 7 verse 9. Do not be quick in spirit to be angry, for anger is in the heart of fools. Proverbs 14:17. He who has a quick temper acts in a foolish way, and a man who makes sinful plans is hated. Proverbs 16:32. He who is slow to anger is better than the powerful, and he who rules his spirit is better than he who takes a city. Proverbs 15:18. A man with a bad temper starts fights, but he who is slow to anger quiets fighting. Proverbs 29:22. A man of anger starts fights, and a man with a bad temper is full of wrongdoings. Psalm 37 verse 8. Stop being angry. Turn away from fighting. Do not trouble yourself. It leads only to wrongdoings. Proverbs 22:24-25. Do not have anything to do with a man given to anger, or go with a man who has a bad temper, or you might learn his ways and get yourself into a trap. Proverbs 15 verse 1. A gentle answer turns away anger, but a sharp word causes anger. Colossians 3:21. Fathers, do not be hard on your children that they will give up trying to do what is right. Ephesians 4:26. If you are angry, do not let it become sin. Get over your anger before the day is finished. Proverbs 19:11. A man's understanding makes him slow to anger. It is to his honor to forgive and forget a wrong done to him. Proverbs 21:19. It is better to live in a desert land than with a woman who argues and causes trouble. Matthew 5:22. But I tell you that whoever is angry with his brother will be guilty and have to suffer for his wrongdoing. Ephesians 4:31-32. Put out of your life all these things: bad feelings about other people, anger, temper, loud talk, bad talk which hurts other people, and bad feelings which hurt other people. You must be kind to each other. Think of the other person. Forgive other people just as God forgave you because of Christ's death on the cross. Romans 12:19-21. Christian brothers, never pay back someone for the bad he has done to you. Let the anger of God take care of the other person. The holy writings say, I will pay back to them what they should get, says the Lord. If the one who hates you is hungry, feed him. If he is thirsty, give him water. If you do that, you'll be making him more ashamed of himself. Do not let sin have power over you. Let good have power over sin. Proverbs 25:21-22. If the one who hates you is hungry, feed him. If he is thirsty, give him water. If you do that, you'll be making him more ashamed of himself, and the Lord will pay you. Colossians 3 verse 8. Put out of your life these things also: anger, bad temper, bad feelings towards others, talk that hurts people, speaking against God, and dirty talk.